Hi, it's me, Palasandra Chandru, Customer Success and Training Specialist from OpenLearning Global. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. Number one, achievement. Number two, exports. Okay, let's start with the achievement. What is actually achievement? Achievement is some sort of like recognition. So when your learners contribute something meaningful or complete a certain task, you can award them achievement to celebrate their work. So to award the new achievement, it's very simple. Just go to your own course. Under the course setup, okay, like the one I'm showing here in the screen, click achievement. So that will lead to this page, course achievement. So here, before you start awarding the achievement, of course, you need to create one. So under the create new achievement section, give a name to your achievement. All right. So I'm just going to create a badge called Community Innovator. And then this is badge I want to award the student that really contribute a lot to the learning community, like give ideas, likes, or even a new content. So second, you need to choose the image. Okay, there's a three way. You can either choose the image from this achievement library, or you can upload the image, or you can create a new achievement by clicking this button. For my case, I'm just gonna choose from here and then click select. Then after that, you need to give a description why you want to award this page, right? So either you can type or copy paste if you already want to. So this is my description. So I want to award this page for learners who actively contribute new ideas in insightful comment to our learning communities. Then after you write the description, choose how you want to award this achievement. You want to award this by manual. So manual mean you need to go and check the student work, and then you need to award this manually by going to administrator learner and learners. Or you want to award by based on the kudos. Okay, kudos mean when the student like other student like the learner's post, they will get a kudos. So in my case, you can give a number, how many kudos, and when the students get 10 kudos, this achievement will be automatically issued. So you can see the kudos here. Or based on the course completion. Based on the course completion, mean when the student get 100% course completion, they will be automatically issued. So in this case, I'm going to choose based on the kudos, mean after the student get 10 kudos, this achievement will be automatically issued. So once you choose all the setting, click create achievement. And then you can see the achievement here. So after student get the achievement, they can pretty much go to their own profile, portfolio section or credential section and view their achievement. All right. The second, this achievement function or feature is based on the use case. If you want to use this or don't want to use this, totally up to you. Okay. Totally depend on how you want to run your course. Some people want to utilize this and want to give some sort of extra recognition besides certificate to your learner. If that's the case, please use this function. Okay, let's say you want to try this or you want to use this. So I want you to pause this video, go to the course setup achievement and try to create at least one achievement. The floor is yours. So done. Okay, let's move on to the second setting, which is export. To access the export section, go to the course setup again, and then click export. So what is actually export? Okay, so export is the way pretty much you can download your student data or all your course data. Okay, like a payment data, course enrollment data, learner data, survey data, and everything. To create a new export, click new export. And then here, choose what you really want to export, right? For my case, I want to export the learner data. And then you need to choose which class. Down here, of course, we have a data columns. Okay, you can decide which one you really want, or you even can organize the thing. Okay, after the choose the one that you want and give a name for this export. I'm gonna name learner data for class 20, um, 24. All right, and then click save. Then click back to export list. Here you can see the export that I just created, and then you need to click run export. Okay, so the file size is of 439 bytes, pretty much small bytes, small size. Then you can just need to click download to download the data. So this is how, and this is where you can download your course data. So here I want you to do, pause this video and go to the course setup export and click create at least one export data. The floor is yours. So how that went? All good? Okay, let's say in the future you need any help or you stuck, you can always come back to the Open Learning Help Community section, this page, where you can go through our articles or you can reach out to us via phone, email, or chat. Till next time, bye.